Kung saan papunta, first time ba, kung government worker ba.
Standard lang sa inyo ha.
Oo.
Sa ako, ipangutan ako sa kung work, mga Upwork. Kaya yung hotel accommodation ma'am.
Why? Hindi na ako tinanong ng ganyan.
Yay!
I am so happy. tuloy na this. Yeah! Hey!
After 6 months of preparation.
Correct. Napaka nerve-wracking ng first few hours kanina.
Hi everyone. Okay. Hi everyone and welcome back to my... Uy, ang corny. Okay, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video ay isasama ko kayo sa pagpunta namin sa Osaka. Okay, so andito na kami ngayon sa airport. We have a connecting flight sa Hong Kong and then probably wait for an hour before our flight going to Osaka, and then i-update ko kayo later once dumating na kami. So, we're here at the Plaza Premium Lounge here in Cebu. We got access because of the credit card na meron si Zeus. Hindi naman masyadong maraming selection nila, but masarap yung food. I'm gonna try to check if ano yung dessert nila. So, let's eat. I'll give you an update later once we are in Osaka. Bye! Okay, we are trying the bok choy. Masarap. Ang sabaw. Yung kita sa YouTube. Hindi daw dapat yan. Naku. Hindi na ko doon. This is
Macchiato nga yan.
Macchiato. Tangan pa rin suka.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do?
So this is how it looks like. This costs 1,730 yen. And then they have it ready here. And then we bought the Ecoca card. And then nag-load tayo ng 2,000 yen, no? Okay, roughly 1,000 pesos if ano.
200.
Okay. And it's moving. Tengda Chaya. Oh my god, exactly 10:32. Oh yeah, 10:32. Amazing Japanese. This is our room. This is their bathroom area. Ayan. And then the towel and the hair. Oh, there's a hair dryer. Ayan. Wala silang bathtub. Maliit lang pala yung CR. But sobrang linis. This is, by the way, Hotel to Vlog. Shinsai Bashi. And they have a mirror here. Heater. What's this? Oh, okay. Another one. Okay. Ito yung fridge. Surahan. Workstation. Ano to?
Fire.
Oh, okay. And this is the room. This is twin room. Andun yung mga maleta namin. That's the TV. Frosted daw yung glass nila dito. Okay, so bababa muna kami at bibili ng makakain as well as water.
We need water.
We'll go to the nearest convenience store to buy food and water. Okay, bibili si Zeus agad. Alam mo, gusto ko din tong itry. Ay, hindi. Chocolate pie, wag na lang pala. So yan, okay. I wanna try that too. Kano to? 216. Okay. Ayun, ito na. Egg. There's tuna and egg. There's tuna. Boiled egg. Egg salad. Parang masarap to. Hati lang tayo, so baka hindi ko maubos.
Sige. I think kaya kong ubusin yan.
Talaga?
I'll go for tuna and egg.
Okay. Tuna and egg.
Gusto yun yung sarap to eh.
Gusto ko nga itry itong egg sandwich nila na plain lang eh.
Sige,
Oh.
ito lang sa akin.
Okay, this one tsaka ayan. All recommendation from JM Bangkisyo. 120. Magkano nga yun sa airport juice?
140.
140. Okay. Ano to? Kin, mo ang favorite Kin. Okay. Ayan, mainit siya. Tapos, yung dito yung malamig. Amazing. Igno kayo mi guys. Mabuang kong pili kung unsay ganahan ako unahon.
Parang gusto mong subukan lahat, no?
Gusto mong subukan lahat. Ano to? Parang masarap siya. Braised pork tonkatsu grilled ramen.
I think masarap yun sa resto. Pero sinabi nila masarap din daw. Pork less than the noodles.
Hi guys, we're back again sa hotel namin. Galing kami sa Family Mart to buy something to eat. And damage is a total of
1,300 yen.
1,300 yen. So,
Amazed kaming dalawa.
yes, ang daming options doon. Very first na napili namin is this egg sandwich. Yung pinili ni Zeus is the tuna and egg. And then, famichiki. Sino nga, yun na vlogger na nakita natin? Nakamakain ito?
Forgot the name.
Forgot the name as well. And then, ito, sure ako, si David Gison ang nag-recommend nito. And then, this is from JM Bangkisyo. And of course, we bought mineral water. I like the location here. No?
Super nice yung
Sus,
location.
kung ano lang, marami, alam mo yung pagbarkada yung mga kasama, tapos magiinuman kayo. Nung lumabas kasi kami, ang daming mga locals na nag-iinuman, nagpa-party. I like the area. I like the hotel. We paid like, naalala ko na 92,000 yen. So, equivalent nyo na lang yan into
PHP.
Philippine peso.
And in close proximity tayo sa Dotonbori, which is one of the
Tsaka yung
go-to places dito sa ano.
Oo, ito si Shinsaibashi something na shopping center.
Yeah,
Sabi mo, Zeus?
yung whole Shinsaibashi Street is very interesting. Maraming kainan, maraming
Yeah.
inuman, maraming ano pa yung establishments na yun. So,
Ano ba
yan,
ang
pakakain na natin.
Okay.
Subukan natin yung pure egg. Ayaw mo mag-wash ng hands mo lang.
Huwag mong i-announce doon sa akin. Hoy, nag-ano naman ako. Nagugas naman ako ng kamay nung nag-CR ako. Tapos kaya ka naman doon. Ang sarap!
Legit.
Sarap! Nagutom lang ako. Sarap din ang tuna. Hindi, pinapanood ko na to sa TikTok dati.
Ano no?
Hmm?
Ang sarap.
Ganito pala siya. Akala ko ano. Ang sarap. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Mahal, paano nila ito na ganito kasarap yung egg?
Sarap talaga yung egg ng ano,
Na?
ng Japan. Kasi, very controlled yung ano nila, yung distribution ng eggs. Lahat ng ano nila dito, ng eggs nila dito is free from salmonella.
Kin!
Oh, dito na yung maglasa.
Kanang Family Mart, dara pa. Egg sandwich.
Dati kini.
Girl, Kin. Swear, lami jud.
Ano yun? Ang ibalita ni Jesus.
Oo, kani. Lami.
Hindi ko pa nasubukan.
Ah,
Sige,
okay.
subukan mo. Milky version nga siya ng Yakult.
Burag Yakult. 1,300 yen. Divided by 2 na lang, roughly.
So, mga 650.
Mm.
Oh, lumiyo na. Ano yan? Ikaw sa biyahe.
Masaag ni Kin. Nag-atoyo, dadani. Masaag ni.
Tulog ra ka.
Overhyped.
Thai food.
Overhype.
Tama yung ano, nag-review.
Yung isang nag-review, no? Overhype lagi daw si Pamichiki.
Kumusta dira, Ken?
Kira man niya. Ay, nag-cheat kami.
Ja, det som inte du vet att det är man kan inte vara sådär. Ja, man kan inte vara det. Det skulle vara lite vara sådär. Ja, man vet inte skulle med det då. Ja, jaha. Ja, det kan så att man med det. Aha, det skulle med det. Och det med det skulle det. Jag vet inte skulle vara med det. Men det skulle vara. Aha, jaha, det måste jag ta det måste jag.
Hi everyone. Hi guys. So today is officially the first full day of our trip here in Osaka. Today's itinerary is pupunta kami sa Happy Pancake, which is like 4 minutes away lang from the hotel. And then right after that, i-check lang namin yung area within the hotel area. Sakto ba? And then check to see kung ano yung mga hindi namin nadala. We'll go to the nearest drugstore, and maybe sa gabi or in the afternoon, we will go to Dotonbori for another food trip. So, I'll see you guys later. No, I will tag you along. I will tag you along.
Pwede naman yung mas splice eh.
Parang Christmas yung outfit ko, no? In-expect ko kasi na malamig.
Kagabi.
Kagabi. Alam mo, mas makita ka na yan kanina. Okay. Umuulan sa labas. Yung lasa ng pagkakapi mo.
UCC?
Ha?
UCC? Hello. Thank you. Perfect timing. So that's your happy pancake. So we have pancake and iced cafe latte. We're just waiting for yung cafe, yung pancake na meal, right? Okay. Sa
Talaga?
sobrang lambot. Like 3 times, 5 times mas malambot.
How was it?
Delicious. Sarap. Even sobrang sarap. Ito ulit.
Oh, look at that.
Ito tayo kung ulitin ko. 4 na plato.
Okay. The price. And wala ata dito yung strawberry. But yeah, we ordered this one. No, this one pancake with big sliced bacon and scrambled egg. And then we ordered this one, and this is the price. And then
Seasonal pancake.
yeah, and the seasonal pancake na sobrang sarap. It's a rainy day here in Osaka. And there's Hermes. There's Hotel Nikko Osaka. Dami siya shop. Pero yung hinahanap namin is ang Todd's. There's Starbucks din sa unahan. Ano nga ba yung
Ano ng mata mo yun?
may Marc Jacobs?
Ini-scan ko pa kung saan yung Starbucks ay.
Hala, teka. Nalilito. Parko. This is Parko. We're waiting here sa lugar so magmura. Okay, I will see the price. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
早いって食べてください。ソイソース、オニオンソース、これがドレッシングになります。ですはまあ OK です。はい。
Okay.
袋いる？
Apron. You need? No. Thank you. Oh my. There you go.
well done. Tama na, tama na.
400 yen.
Wala pang cheese. Awesome. So dito namin binili. Wow, nice cheese drag.
How was it, Zeus?
Sarap.
Konti lang yung cheese no nasa
Itong
gitna.
cheese na to, bali 4 pa lang yung nakakain kong cheese.
Buwang! Yan yung blockbuster na takoyaki or gyoza, I guess. So, we're full already kasi kumain kami sa Gyugatsu Motomura.
We still have room for Premia.
Yeah, asan kaya si Triniya, no?
Tingnan.
Right! Si Kuan, Likuman. And there you go. Pupunta kami ng Sun Drug Store. Super busog.
First
Busog.
rice meal, tapos heavy.
Yes.
Sarap.
Pero sobrang sarap, no?
Sobrang sarap.
Yep. That's proud, everyone. Okay, papasok kami dito sa Sun Drug. Milano CC Cream. Okay, trying this. Ano tawag ito? This arcade?
Ano, toy capsule, shaking my head.
Capsule Toy Planet. Capsule Toy Planet.
Sigurado ko si Simano.
Oo.
Okay. Okay. Here we go. Wish me luck, Snoopy.
Ha, iba yung ginanuan mo sa taas. Sa taas yan.
Ano yung panalunan ko? Si Wail.
Kuha ka pa ng isa, Zeus.
1,000 lang na gusto ko kada.
Take.
I got Snoopy! I got Snoopy kagad. First try. Ayun si Snoopy oh.
Wow! Kaswerte mo, Zeus. Dito sa vlog. Hi guys, we are already back here sa hotel and kagagaling yung last stop namin was Family Mart because we wanted to buy something to eat. We bought this one, Lipton Green Apple Tea. Hinahanap ko yung nabili ko sa airport na ano tawag? Apple,
Kidding.
ha? Kirin? Oo, na ganito din siya.
Juice.
Nasa parang carton pack. No, masarap. Sobrang sarap niya pero hindi ko siya nahanap. And then, we also bought this one, mochi ice cream. And then, bumili kami sa may water din pala. Wala, ito lang yung pinambili namin. Tapos, ito pala. Kakainin namin to. Nabili namin sa Sun Drug. Kailangan namin to kasi sumasakit na yung mga, namin, kasukasuhan. Ba yung tagalog. And, we went to Sun Drug. Ito, marami kaming pinamili. Marami. Pero, sakto lang. This one. And, charan, this one. Pumunta din kami sa GU. Ang dami-daming options doon. Naisip ko nga, sakto nga talaga sila, no? Hindi ka na masyadong magdala ng mga gamit mo kasi, or mga damit mo, or outfit mo, kasi pwede ka nang bumili lang doon sa, sa GU or sa Uniqlo. Tapos, the hotel that we're staying here in Osaka, meron silang laundry area sa second floor. So, pwedeng doon ipa-laundry yung mga pinamili mo bago suotin. So, yun lang. Ipatry ko muna to. Taste test. How do I open this?
Okay. So, gamitin mo muna sa side. Tapos you pull this right.
By the way, sobrang sarap ng dinner namin sa Gyugatsu Motomura. Sobrang sarap.
110%.
Yeah, ang sarap din ng happy pancake. Hindi ako makagatover sa mga kinakain natin today, Zeus. But, ang sarap sa feeling na maka-travel ka tapos nakakain ka ng mga ganun kasarap na, na mga pagkain. But anyway, thank you, Lord. Kainin natin. Kainin? Kainin! Medyo matabang. Yung masarap pa rin yung meal, Zeus.
Kirin.
Kirin pala. This one, we bought this sa Sundrug. Oh!
Individual wrap.
Yes! Ang sarap nito. Harap! Ang harap mo. Kano na to?
Harap? 900 lang yung dalawa.
900 to mga 400? Harap. Next. Next one.
Okay na.
Ang dili sorry. Isa lang.
Dalawa. I mean
Yung stick.
yung isa lang. Tapos inuman mo nito, matabang na yung ano.
Namiaw gid oy. Everyday do ko yoga ani nagbalik. Kaya pala ang dami mabalik dito, no? Before I end this vlog, tomorrow our itinerary would be going to Universal Studios. That's all. Then maybe dinner. I-try na namin yung Dotonbori na food trip kasi today yung weather kasi is maulan. Pero kaya naman yung lamig. Naka-ano nga ako eh, naka-skirts nga ako eh. Pero yun lang na bago yung itinerary namin today because instead of us doing the Dotonbori food trip, hindi na namin tinuloy. Instead, we went to Gyukatsu Motomura. So, that's all that I have for today. I'll see you all tomorrow. Huh? Nga na ba? That's all for today's vlog. I'll see you all. That's all for today's vlog, and thank you for watching. Bye!
We've arrived!